there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the lighting of your keyboard Alienware AW510K. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to download the Alienware Command Center from their official website. After you have installed this application on your PC, you would need to connect your keyboard to your laptop and wait until drivers for this type of keyboard will be downloaded. This process happens automatically, so you don't need to do anything. Just wait a few minutes until you will get a notification that the drivers have been installed. Now let's move on to the Alienware Command Center. Firstly, we would need to open this app and wait until it will load. So the first thing that we see after the application have launched up, that's the preview of our keyboard. And if we will aim our mouse on it, you can see it light up. Now left click on this keyboard and we are on the settings. And now the main question, how to change the keyboard lighting. So as a first step, we would need to select the keys which we want to light up. You can choose all keys, only function, numpad, other keys, or any other option that you can find under your keyboard on the screen. So I will select all keys, and now you can see that the menu on the right has light up, and now we can make some changes. So the first thing that we need to choose, that's what type of lighting we want to have on our keyboard. It can be static or on key press. So I have selected static, and now let's move on. Next thing that we got right here is the lighting effects. By clicking on the name of lighting effect, you can open a list with a lot of options for the lighting effects. For example, scanner, rainbow wave, morph, breathing spectrum. You can find a lot of options right here. So I will leave it on pulse so I can show you the settings of color. As you can see, the lighting on my keyboard immediately changed, and now it switched to the pulse. Next thing that we can change right here is the colors of the lighting. Now I have it blue on this color one, and if we want to change it, we would need to click on this current color and set any other. For example, you can choose one of the preset colors, or you can set your own color by moving this white dot around this color board, just like this. The next thing that we can set right here is to add our own colors. For example, I have set this color by moving this dot around this color board, and if I will click on this plus on the tab My Colors, Your Colors, it will be automatically added here. And we got here last two things. This is brightness of the keyboard lighting. As you can see, while I move the dot, it also changes. And tempo. It can be slow if you will move it to the left, or it can be fast if you will move it to the right. And you can see how it changes. And that's it. After you are done with setting the lighting for your keyboard, click on this blue button Save Preset, and you'll get notifications that the preset have been saved, and now you can enjoy your new lighting on your keyboard. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.